Today we are solving a problem that comes up all the time in analysis. We have products and sales, and we want to keep only the rows where sales are above the average for that product. The average for product A is 65, so only the row with 80 should remain. Let's build it step by step. To know whether a sale is above average, we first need the average for each product. That means product A needs to be evaluated separately from product B. So the first step is grouping. I'll type Table.Group, the first argument is source, and the second is our product column in figure brackets. I will also add figure brackets in the end as a placeholder for now. After grouping, we have one row per product, but we also need access to the original rows inside each product. So let's create a new column called data, for example. And X here represents the current product's rows. For example, when Power Query is working with product A, X contains only product A's records. When it moves to product B, X contains only product B records. So now we have a mini table for one product at a time. Next, I want to filter that mini table. We will use table select function. It takes a table and keeps only rows that satisfy a condition. The table I am filtering is X, the current product group. Now I need to define the condition. For every row, I am looking at its sales value. The question becomes, is this sales value greater than the average sales? So let's calculate that average. We will use listAverage function. It expects a list of numbers. And where do those numbers come from? From the sales column of the current product table, X sales. This extracts the entire sales column from the current group. The filtering works fine, but notice that the result is still stored inside nested tables. We have one filtered table per product. To flatten everything back into a normal table, we will combine them. Create a new step, we will need only the data column, and use table combine. And here is the finished query. The pattern is simple. Group the rows, filter inside each group, and combine the results. A surprisingly compact solution for a problem that many people would solve with helper columns or merges. So this technique allows us to compare each row against the average of its own group. It's a powerful pattern because once you understand it, you can replace listAverage with almost any calculation and build all kinds of group-based filters without helper columns, merges, and additional queries. See ya!